Right, okay, so we've just done the 28-point check on the Seat. So what we're going to show you first of all, first things first, is we come to the passenger door. So we've just put a lever bar down there just so it just acts like it's out in the rain, with the rain pouring down the window. If we go on the inside of the door, we can see that there's a very heavy leak on the door membrane there. And what that will do is it will drip straight onto this rubber, and then the only way for it to go would be underneath here, and then obviously it'll fill up the footwells. The good thing is, the passenger side, it looks like we may have caught this early, because this is our little machine. This basically tells you if there's any water underneath the carpets. So if we put that in now, we can see that it's telling us that there's no signs of any water in there. And if we just have a quick look at the rear footwell as well. Okay, so it's showing me that it's dry in the passenger's footwell, so that's good. So if we just quickly come over to the other side, we're going to repeat it on the driver's door as well, because this one's doing the same. So we're going to quickly put this down here. And as we can see, it's rushing out. So once again, that will go on this bit here, and then it will then fall in and then fill up the footwells. So we're going to put our machine on this side now, the driver's side. So as you can see, that is indicating that there is a lot of water underneath that carpet. I would lift it up, but the problem is it's a Seat and you have to strip the whole car out to get the carpet up. So that's why I'm showing you on our little special machine. So once again, that's saying that obviously there's loads of water under there. So the only way of obviously getting that out is taking the seats out, lifting up the carpet, sucking out as much as we can. And we can obviously see what the water's been doing as well. So we've got a bit of mould down there that has been decontaminated with our special product. So it kills it directly on contact. It doesn't get rid of it, but it kills it. Right, okay. So that would be that one there. Obviously, once we do get the carpet up and the underlay, it may be worth just fogging under there so it's decontaminated. And then we'll put our super dry machine in there. And then we're going to go onto the front screen, and I'm going to show you what I found on the front screen, which is the main leak.